inspired as we learn about leadership and we get to know more. If you're still with us, let's go to the Kenya
another level. So we are very glad that we are everyone to the best place in this.
Wanawake ambao wanatoka katika mataifa ya IGAD wanaelewa uongozi wa wanawake kwamba unakubalika, unaaminika na unaweza kuendeleza mambo mengi ambayo yanahitajika, ikiwemo kwamba ni usalama wa nchi, usalama wa kanda hii yote ya IGAD.
We want to use this opportunity to address the leadership gaps in the region. Particularly, train women leaders. We know women are the backbone of our society.
Bringing women from all walks of professionals who are leaders in their various expertise to ensure that they come share their knowledge, their experiences in various areas, so that then they can bring the knowledge of leadership into the region.
Teaches us to speak up, to speak to the barriers that, for example, cultural barriers that we have as African women that sometimes stop us from taking up those leadership roles where we are taken as the homemakers, yet we can really lead.